Okay, quick video for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to solve the squeaking, creaking kind of noises in your BMW F15 X5 that comes from the rear that gets more pronounced once it's cold outside. It's freezing, so I'll make it quick. So I've got here some double-sided Velcro. Obviously it's sticky on the backside, and so I've used some of this of the felty kind of side, and then also this kind of foam tape, sticky on the backside, and like foamy on this side. And I'll show you the best spots to put it, and it pretty much eliminates all of the noise from the back of your X5. So for starters, you have here where the hatch slides down. A lot of people do all the work to adjust these, this and that, so it doesn't make any rattling noise, whatever. So I've just got a piece stuck on here, a piece stuck on here, obviously the same on the other side. And then the other points that I found that were the best to get rid of it is just adding a small piece here, there. I've got some wedged up under the corners of this in 2 spots, and then also underneath of the rear tray. It's kind of hard to see, but I've got it. Let me get a flashlight. It's right here. So I've just put a strip down right there on either side. And so I've seen some people online use electrical tape, and it seems to just come off after some time, and then they redo it and whatever. But yeah, this is a pretty cheap fix. You just stick those on in the spots that I just pointed out, and for me, I mean, it's gotten rid of any creaking, cracking, rattling noise, anything. It's dead quiet from back there, and makes it feel